Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore how StoreSEO can optimize SEO for your Shopify product stores. First, ensure StoreSEO is installed on your Shopify store. Head over to Optimize SEO and select the product you want to enhance. Click the edit icon to access the optimization page. Here, you'll find both basic and detailed SEO analyses, along with a real-time optimization score. Let's start by crafting the meta title and description. Next, enter a focus keyword that aligns with your product. After completing the basic SEO analysis, proceed to the detailed analysis. Add all text to each product image. Incomplete actions, such as utilizing the focus keyword in the product title and description, will be highlighted in the analysis panel. To do this, click Edit Product, insert the keyword in both fields and hit Save. Now, let's incorporate the focus keyword into the product URL. Scroll to the URL handle section, carefully place the keyword, and click Save. Let's move on to optimizing images. Click Optimize All and select Compare. In the pop-up window, view current and previous image versions, and choose Restore Original. Then go to Settings and click on Image Optimizer. Enable Auto Image Optimizer and save your changes. Return to Optimize SEO and select Fix Issues. By visiting Image Optimizer and clicking Optimize, you'll see an improved SEO score, confirming successful image optimization. Till now we have seen how to optimize your Shopify products with StoreSEO manually. With the help of AI, we can be more time efficient and effective. We have a detailed video on the AI feature of StoreSEO. Find the video link in the description. That's all for today. You've now learned how to optimize your Shopify products for SEO more effectively with StoreSEO. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.